morning everyone, my name is from Rangaraya IAS Academy and I am studying in the first year, and today we all are together to tell the seminar, and today the given topic is about the laws of motion, chapter 5 in physics subject. Okay, let us just discuss about what is the laws of motion. First of all, what is law? Law means a set of rules or a rules, right? And again, motion means a certain, uncertain, unexistent resting position, which is called motion. Means the phenomena in which an object changes position over time. It always changes its position from one place to another place. And here, the velocity is described as acceleration, displacement, distance, and etc. of the meanings are different, but the definition is one thing. It is called motion. And today they are having the three laws of motion. One is Newton's first law, Newton's second law, and Newton's third law. And I will describe it on the chart. Newton's laws of motion is I just read it as in the flow chart, and Newton's three laws of motion: Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law. Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia. Newton's second law is also known as expressed as F equals to ma. Means F means force, m means mass, a means acceleration. It is the unit of mass, unit of acceleration. Newton's third law known as action and about the reaction. Okay, first of all, what is Newton's first law? Newton's first law means a body at rest will remain at rest, and a body in motion will remain in motion unless it's acted upon by any external force. Means here, let me explain you clearly. If a body, let me tell you an example, taking a marker. This is a marker, it is in rest position. Let us think it is in rest position. If we add any external position only, it can move from its place, or otherwise it won't move from its external place. And second one, Newton's second law means a force acting on an object is equal to the mass that object times its acceleration. Same, if you move this object from one other place, it will move from it, or otherwise we should have the mass of that object times will be accelerated. And Newton's third law tells for every action there is an external and opposite reaction. For example, there are two markers. Okay, there are two markers from each place. Let me keep here and show you. If this is a object and this is a B object, if A object exerts a force on B, same the B object also exerts a force on A. So this is called Newton's third law. And let us go to the conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum means a law of conservation of momentum states when two bodies collide with each other, in absence of an external force, then the total final momentum of the bodies is equal to their total initial momentum. And here, let us discuss about the equilibrium of a particle. These are the concepts and topics of the laws of motion chapter. Equilibrium of a particle. A particle is said to be in equilibrium if motion does not take place when it is acted upon by two or more forces. Means if there are two bodies of the two bodies are in rest position and they are said to be in equilibrium if motion does not take place, acted upon by two or more forces. More forces are applying when the body is said to be equilibrium position. Common forces like mechanics. This is the fourth topic of laws of motion chapter. And this common forces like mechanics, there are several examples. I just selected three of them: conservative forces, variable forces, and constant forces. First of all, let us discuss about the conservative forces. The forces whose work is independent of the path followed is called conservative force. And second one, variable force, the force that changes with respect to time and distance. And third one, constant time. Sorry, a constant force, the force that does not change with respect to time and distance. And these are the easiest topics of the laws of motion which I have selected and the main points in laws of motion chapter.